I'm gonna give this a try. This is my first attempt at trying some sort of moto vlogging, and I'm testing out my new cameras. I got myself a GoPro 7 and a GoPro 8. Thank you very much, Jarvis Biker. He upgraded his cameras, and I bought some of his old cameras. So we're giving that a go. We're going to see how this works. See what kind of a view I get with this setup. It's something new I'm trying. Hopefully it'll work out good. I don't know. It's really hard to tell. My goal today was to try out some of these new cameras and see how they looked. I was trying out different frame rates, and I was trying out speeds, seeing what these cameras could actually do. Trying to do things just a little bit different, trying to up my game a little bit, and we'll see how this all turns out. It seemed like everybody, and I mean everybody, and their brother was out on a motorcycle today. It was so nice. It was like 70 degrees out and just perfect. And everybody was out, as you can see. If this works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that's okay. Listen to those retards roll. Interrupt this video to tell you that I'm going to go out again tomorrow, and I'm going to try using the camera in a different way. I got a couple of new parts, and hopefully this is going to work even better. So let's see what happens in this next clip. So to make a long story even longer, the parts that I had ordered for the GoPro so I could try doing some different things haven't come yet. So I wanted to get this video out. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you on the next one. And remember, ride motorcycles, eat ice cream.